Welcome to your body weight bounce workout. We're going to do a quick warm up. We're going to have a blast, shoes or no shoes. The choice is up to you. It's about 15 minutes. We're going to get started right now. Starting out here with a health bounce. This is your form. This is your basics movement that you're going to come back to. If a move, for whatever reason, does not agree with you, you're coming back to a health bounce. Your knees are slightly bent. Your shoulders back and down away from your ears. Your core is engaged. Flat feet pushing down into the mat. Rebounding back up. Give me some heel digs here. Front heel digs. We're getting the arms going. Warming up the body here. Breathe. Core is always engaged. Even when you're vacuuming, when you're bending down, picking something up, you need to engage your core. Give me a side-to-side step touch here. Bounce it out. Mini bounce here, side-to-side step touch. Nice work. Today's body weight, some balance work, cardio, packing it all in about 15 minutes or so. Steady the feet here carefully. Airplane arms, lift up your knee. Stabilizing muscles in the leg. Slight bend in the knee. It's not locked out. You can do this, switch. Lift up the knee, core in tight. Your gaze is forward. Working the stabilizing muscles. Strengthening up the ankles. And give me a march in place here. Nice and warm. We're gonna be on and off the mini trampoline, so you need to make sure you're exiting properly and getting back on properly for safety reasons, of course. Always go at your pace, and if nothing works for you or if a move doesn't work for you that I'm doing, you're gonna replace it with that health bounce. Carefully step off, sit, V-sit for core. If you want to, you can practice lifting and lowering the arms, holding that V-sit. Point the toes or flex them, whatever's comfortable for you. You've got this. Full body movements here. Breathe. Carefully stand up. Plank. We're holding it here. Feet are approximately shoulder width apart. If you need some more stability, you can make your stance a little bit wider. Your hands are directly below the shoulders. Nice work, core in tight. You're not up here, you're here. Single leg squat. Breathe it out. Standing leg is going to speak to you, but so is this leg. Push through the heel when you're standing up. Push. Push. Nice and warm here, last one. Give me the other side. Nice work. Squat it out. I know the moves go quickly here. We're adjusting. Each move here is 30 seconds. We're transitioning within that 30 seconds, so it feels like it's going even a little bit faster. Carefully on the mini trampoline and march it out. Very nice. Already on move 10. Legs are warmed up, core is warmed up, arms are warmed up. We're gonna do a mini bounce here. It's above a health bounce, but it's not a full-blown ceiling bounce, so to speak. Pushing down into the mat. Slight bend in the knees. I'll show you from the side here, flat foot. The work is in the push down into the mat. Push, push. Acceleration, deceleration. Lots going on here. Side to side, hops. Slight bend in the knees. Getting the arms involved. Yes, you can. Push down into the mat, core in tight. Full body workout today. We're hitting everything. Effective. Forward back bounce. Like you're the top of a box, the bottom of the box. Wide front and back here. You can do whatever you want with the arms, but anytime you get the arms involved, you're having a greater calorie burn. Nice work. Carefully march in place here. Breathe. Flushing our lymphatic system, promoting heart healthy, cardiovascular work, pumping blood throughout the whole body. Last few seconds here, I want you to come down carefully. Forearm plank, hold. Hold. Yes, you can. 10 seconds. Don't collapse. You're not up here. Come onto your mat. Push-ups. Nice work. Core in tight. Working hard, I know. Last one here. Adjust. Side angle here. You're down, you're up. You're squeezing your glutes. Your knees are spread apart. Your toes are together in the back. Squeeze, lower, squeeze, squeeze. Don't go all the way down and rest. That's not a rest. That's a tiny tap and a squeeze back up. Last one, stand up carefully. Bounce it out. Very nice. Very effective full body workout using the mini trampoline. Today I'm on the B-Can mini trampoline. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. Please have a look. Jack it out. Ready? Go. Your way. Low. Standing here even. You could do it standing still. You're still on a unsteady surface, so you're challenging your equilibrium. You're challenging stabilizing muscles. You can mix it up. Standing core coming up. Standing core. You're here, or you can incorporate the bounce. Entirely up to you. It's your workout. I'm here as a guide. Switch. Core crunch. Crunch it out. And ready for some high knees. Fast or slow. Faster, high as you can go, or you're a little bit lower here. Transitioning off in 3, 2, carefully, and I mean carefully. Side plank. Catch your breath. If you need a break before you're coming down here to this plank, please take it and then come back. Breathe. Three, 2, 1, switch it out. Pardon my backside. I don't think I'd have room by the chair. Hello, Kate. It's actually very good to have a mirror when you're working out so you can watch your form. You can see if you're doing things as the instructor is instructing. So don't feel embarrassed about doing things in front of a mirror. Carefully get back on, bounce it out. Nice work. Sweating. Head to toe workout here. Don't forget your core is tight. Slight bend in your knees. Twist it out. Breathe. This is a super fun move. Very nice. Give me 2 or 3 step tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Or you're here in place, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Up to you. Catch your breath. Whew. Move 26. Fun, effective moves for the whole body. Toe taps in front. And when you're ready, some more shoulder work here. You can pick it up. Or you're doing the tap without the hop. Coordination, so your mind's working, right? March it out here, catch your breath. Catch your breath. Move 28. Going into a wide squat. Prepare yourself. 3, 2, 1. Carefully, wide squat. Hold as low as you can. Core in tight. While you're here, prayer position hands, push them in. Push them together, release. Push together, release. Push together, release. Legs are burning, I know. Push the hands together, push them. Opposing forces here, release. Carefully rise up. Health bounce here. This is still your workout. We're not skipping it. We're doing it. Health bounce, catch your breath. Deep breath in. One more time, in. Exhale. Carefully step off. You've got a wall, your T-bar, your stability bar, whatever you want. Doing a little bit of stretching here. Catching our breath. Deliberately bringing the heart rate down. Our breathing back to pre-workout. Other leg. Breathe. I'm sweating. Are you sweating? Stretch out the leg here on top of the mat. Toes pointing to the ceiling. Feeling that beautiful stretch. Switch it out here. Pointing the toe, flexing the foot. Back up on your mat. Stretching out the small of your back. Carefully push. Release. Push carefully. Slide down your front of your legs, flat back. Grab onto your frame. Stretch it out. Lean slightly back. Make sure you've got a good handle here, good grip. Slightly back, push back, gentle. Feel an extra stretch there. Bend the knees, one vertebrae at a time, stand up. A few stretches for the arms and we are done. Chest here, other side. Stretching out the chest, circling out the wrists the other way, flexing the fingers. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this total body, full body burn. Bounce, baby, body weight burn. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm super sweaty. Please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those are all things you can do that help my channel grow and get picked up on the algorithm. And then somebody else, maybe like you, can also enjoy them. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.